Here as always. Nooresh, hi, morning. Let me come to you first. What explains yesterday's sell-off? And did you see that coming? Because in the morning you had a buy on the Nifty, right?
So yesterday was a hold and now we get to a buy today. So if we look at the Nifty, we saw a move from 19,500 to 21,500, 600. And we do see some bit of correction coming in December year-end calendar year booking across the world as such. We've seen that correction in the last 3 years as well. And this could be again a sell-off, which some bit could come even today. And that should be an opportunity. There were two big gap ups on the Nifty, 20,950 to 21,070, and the last one at 20,500 to 20,300 roughly. So ideally, I would expect some recovery from this 21,074 to 20,950 mark. So a buy on dips today. Expect a slow and steady recovery. Overall, a good correction like this is needed for the trend to continue. And this is part of a normal uptrend. So this dip is a buying opportunity across the board.
Okay, the dip should be taken in as a buying opportunity for now. But what's your take, Kunal? That ferocious sell that we saw yesterday, should be worried about that, or as people have been calling it, healthy consolidation?
So good morning. Yeah, I think it was something which was not, something which we forecast for the indices specifically. And now, in terms of whether it's a buy and dips, I would probably maybe wait out for another couple of trading sessions before we go into any kind of a major recovery on the indices, because now the first important support for the Nifty lies at 20,750 mark, from where we bounced off or made a dash towards the 21K mark for the index, I think last week or so. So I think that forms a major first support, and we've historically seen that whenever the index gets into such a kind of a sharp sell-off, it tends to break those round figure or psychological marks. So we've closed about 21,100, 140 mark yesterday. So I would believe that we could probably be breaking the 21,000 mark, hopefully in the next couple of days. And I think that's where one should probably try and take opportunity. So 20,750 remains to be the first leg of support, and we'll see if the index drops down to those levels. That could be a good buying opportunity.
So you are anticipating lower levels from here?
Yes. So after such a kind of a sharp sell-off, there's bound to be a natural reaction, because traders would want to cut their leverage positions, and I think that trimming of positions, etc., ideally steals the index further down.
But your idea of Nifty going to 25,000 ahead of election, that is still intact, right?
Yeah. So these jerks will keep on happening. As you say that, when the trend becomes obvious, the ride becomes extremely difficult. So I think the trend was obvious since last 500, 700 points, and now the ride is becoming different.
Okay, so with 25K intact as a target from Kunal, let's find out what are the